Okay, so start muna tayo with normalizing our table from single table into multiple tables. So I have here Web Security 2 or WebSec 2 as our database, and then we have now 4 accounts. So we have now 4 tables rather. Now we have account, table, passwords, tokens, and then we have user. So for much better view nito, punta tayo sa designer. Okay, so ito yung mga ginamit natin. In our account, we have account ID that is auto increment. We have a username, varchar20, password ID. We have integer 11, but this one is indexed. Kumaga parang naka-foreign key dito sa ating passwords table. Na meron naman siyang password, varchar255, and then we have token ID. Ginawa ko dito sa token ID, if I'm not mistaken, this one is naka-null, naka-check yung null niya. Okay, and then dito sa may natin, sa token ID natin, we have token and then we have expiration. We use date time for that. And para naman malaman natin kung kanino yung user yung account na to, is we have here user na ang laman ay full name. Okay, we have varchar 100. Now let's head over in our databases. Gawa tayo WebSec 3 8. First natin si account. In our account we have account underscore ID. This one is auto increment, primary key. Then we have username, varchar. Ang ginamit natin dito 20. Also we have password ID. This one is indexed. And also we have user ID, index also. Save. Now another passwords, password ID. This one is auto increment. We have here password. This one is varchar 255, I think. Varchar 255. Yes. Varchar 255. And we have token ID, which is indexed. Save. Tokens, token ID, auto increment, token. This one is varchar 255, if I'm not mistaken. Then yes, and then we have expiration, then date time. And lastly, we have user table, which has user ID, increment, and we have here full name, varchar 100. Okay, so save natin siya. Now, para mas mapagana natin yung index natin, yung indexing natin, we can head over to our account, structure, relation view. Okay, so kakascade ko na lang, okay, para mas madali tayo makapag-delete yung ating password ID, or yes, password ID from our passwords, password ID. Add tayo ng isa pa for our another foreign key, which is yung user ID from user ID, then save. Now, on our passwords, structure, edit natin muna to. Nakalimutan natin kanina na check yung null. Save natin. And then, again, structure, relation view, cascade, and then C token ID from tokens. Save. And then, I think, yun lang yung ating foreign key. That's it. We can now proceed to our coding.